Hey y'all, Edward the Brick Texan here with another speed build for you. And today we have a Brickcraft set 72199, Family Guy's Stewie on Trike, 429 pieces, and we get a full-bodied Stewie riding his tricycle. I love Family Guy. I have since it premiered in '99, kind of showing my age on that one a little bit. I was a teenager when it came out in the year, so do the math. And I have the other collectible figures. I have Brian, I have Peter as well. This is the more expensive of the three. It's only like 30 bucks though, at Walmart. And as of recording this video, there is another Family Guy set on the way. It's another Stewie set. Stewie with his laser gun and his teddy bear Rupert. In any case, I'm looking forward to doing this. You got these big tires included in this. I believe everything in here is printed, so that's pretty cool too. Like Stewie's eyes, I love how expressive this figure is. Let's take a look at the back of the box, and it looks like you can display Stewie by himself and the tricycle by itself, of course. It looks like a lot of fun to build. I'm looking forward to getting into this one. So let's get to it.